It's really windy today and we're standing by a fan. That's why my hair is going crazy. So our potatoes have popped up about, some are getting probably close to 8 inches above the soil. I've waited a little bit too long, but now we're going to come back and add soil up the stalk, and then potatoes will form all along the stalk hopefully, and we'll have double or triple our production. So that's what we're going to do now. But this fan's running, so I'm probably not going to talk a lot, but at least you guys can see what we're doing. So all I'm doing is taking and gently spreading this material. This is our compost blend, what we planted them in. Just sprinkling it so that it can come up the stalk. And so down in here, if you can see this, Cam, that's probably when I should have done this and just continued to add it, more often versus letting them get on up this big. But it's been busy and just hadn't had time. So I think this will work just as well. Just got to take a little more time because we don't want to break the stalk. So you got to kind of take handfuls and put them down in between the canopy and around each stalk. So we've put our soil back, added a little extra worm castings, some more compost, and we've got it up about, we probably could go a little bit higher, like on this stalk, but some of the guys were shorter than others, so I don't want to go and bury them too deep. Although I think you can, if you wanted to, you could actually cover the entire thing and they'll pop back up again. But this is how we're going to do it for now. Depending on how much bigger they got, we might just experiment and come and put more soil up to the top of our raised bed. But then after that, hopefully in a few more weeks, we'll have some potatoes to dig up.